as we all know, Miss Cameron has ended, right? And there's a new queen. You know, the crown is already on somebody's head. So now we are going to watch the Miss Cameron final video, and we're going to find out why has the crown. Like, I have a video here. Let's just dig right into it. Like, dig. Okay. Alright. Let's watch this thing. Wow, 18 minutes. What the front?
Je vais appeler à la candidate numéro 19, Adama Ruth Oulé.
Adama Ruth. Woo.
Candidate numéro 19.
Adama Ruth Oulé. Nice dress, girl. Hey, look at her on the runway.
Candidate numéro 13, Duchesse Cole.
Smile, baby, smile, smile.
Candidate number 13, numéro 13.
Numéro 13.
Voilà. Candidate number 13.
Candidate numéro
Numéro
13.
13.
Numéro 13. Where is she? Okay. Who is she? She's pretty.
Candidate numéro 11, Noelia Rose Arey.
Candidate number 11.
Candidate number 11. Candidate numéro 11. Why are the
Candidate number 11.
Time? Like, I'm acting like I've not been on one of these before. While you're behind there, oh my god, the tension. When they call your number, oh my god, she's so pretty.
Candidate
she's so pretty.
numéro 1,
Oh my god,
Marguerite
that candidate
Dune.
number 11. Who's that? She's so fine.
Candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1. Who is that? Wow, they're so smiley. They're smiling so much. I swear to God, guys, when you're on a pageant like this, and then you have to smile. That's a requirement. And just imagine standing there and smiling for no good reason. Adama was the first, right? And then they've already been calling the names for about 4 minutes. Then just imagine Adama standing there and smiling like this for absolutely no good reason, just doing this. Candidate numéro 13. Candidate numéro 14. Candidate numéro 24. Just imagine. And then you get so nervous that you're smiling and then your lips start to tremble like this. Guys, I'm saying from experience, so it's very as if I'm hearing it from somebody. So I can imagine, like, look at them smiling, looking all beautiful. It is difficult. It is difficult, I swear. Oh Jesus.
Candidate
What is wrong with you?
numéro 18, Stéphanie Charline Amourou.
Why did she call her name like that? She did not call
Candidate
them
number
those names. She called
18.
only Adama.
Finally,
La
She's
dernière
pretty,
candidate.
Candidate is fine. But her dress.
the last
S'il vous plaît, la candidate numéro 7.
Voilà donc, mesdames et messieurs, les 6 candidates qui continueront l'aventure avec nous. Mais avant, il est important pour nous de demander à notre huissier Si tous les noms qui ont été lus et les noms qui figurent sur le podium sont bel et bien ceux que vous avez sur vos listes.
Oui, vérification a été faite.
Look at them, they're
Niveau
smiling.
de
Oh my
la
god, this
salle
thing is so difficult.
arrière-plan,
I can't even watch, it's so
avant la
crazy.
sortie des 6 nouvelles candidates sur le podium. Donc, c'est confirmé qu'il s'agit bel et bien des 6 candidats qui ont été sélectionnés par le jury.
Merci.
Her hairstyle is so nice. Are they cornrows? Oh my god, they look like they hurt. Jesus, babe, your hair is zipping you.
Pour la suite de la compétition.
Let me just go over the candidates. We have number 19.
We have Nimoro number 19.
You are number 11.
Are you asking her a number? Shoe?
She's number 18. And finally, number 7.
Oh god,
Are we
number
okay?
11. I love her dress.
Voilà donc nos 6
11 dress is
candidates
so pretty.
finalistes. Et c'est donc
Moncam's dress too is so pretty. This is number 18. She's so fine, but I don't know what's happening with her dress. Like, it looks like a door blind.
We are going to start straight away. I want you to start by introducing yourself. The fan clubs, please listen.
s'il vous plaît, le fan club.
Thank you, fan clubs.
People
Merci
shut
au
up,
fan
fan.
club.
People shut up your
Thank
mouth.
you. I want you to listen to the girls now so that you'll be able to judge for yourself. Introduce yourself. Tell me what you do
Introduce
tomorrow
yourself.
if you are elected Miss
Who's this
Cameroon.
woman?
Thank you.
Who is this woman? Okay. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the Minister of Arts and Culture, honorable judges, distinguished guests,
Exactly.
bonsoir. I am called Adama Ruth Ule. I am a master's holder in international law from the University of Yaoundé, Toussoir, and I am rounding up my MBA in business management in the University of Boya.
Okay.
Education is a fundamental human right, and quality education is a necessity. Certain issues plaguing our environment nowadays, like domestic violence, crime, and effects of climate change, can all have a drastic reduction if only 75% of the population get basic education. If I am elected Miss Cameroon 2020 this night, relevant education and quality education is what I will stand for everybody. Working with the Committee for the Organization of Miss Cameroon and the Minister of Arts and Culture, I would make sure I advocate for quality education by first of all empowering the teachers who are the base of education. Telling them that an educated girl like me is educating a nation. An educated boy is an independent man. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Okay, I think her project is a little bit cliche.
Yeah,
God, I
in
don't
mining and petrol. Tell us about your project.
She said an engineer in mining and petrol. Which one is mining and petrol? Who is this woman?
Oui. Distingués invités selon votre grade et titres respectifs. Basango na banyango, pesanango ndezi, et bien ma boab.
Hey, she spoke something. Etingana ngombendi. Nkanambuam.
Je suis community manager pour les 10 ans de Jumbo. Je suis en phase finale de réalisation de mon projet sur l'institut de beauté que je suis en train d'ouvrir.
Oh, she's
Et pour
moving.
cela, je compte pour mon élection de Miss Cameroun. Appeler tous les jeunes comme moi à être entrepreneurs et à essayer de prendre leur vie en main. Parce que oui, on ne doit pas uniquement, bien sûr,
Oh God.
on ne doit pas uniquement compter sur la vie ou la force
Go,
que nous
girl,
apportent
do
nos parents
it.
parce qu'ils ne seront pas là éternellement. La jeunesse d'aujourd'hui est censée essayer de prendre sur elle ce que la vieillesse d'hier ne peut plus prendre. On doit éduquer un Cameroun fort, un Cameroun entrepreneur.
I love how she, she stuttered a little bit, but she still, forte la kawayan.
Sa situation économique. Pour ce faire, pendant ma campagne au littoral, ont été organisées des conférences qui se sont passées l'une à l'IUT de Douala et l'autre au collège Alfred Saker. Par ailleurs, j'ai fait des excursions dans les 4 départements de ma ville pour essayer justement de mettre en valeur toutes les richesses de notre pays. Parce que oui, le Cameroun renferme des richesses énormes. Sur ce, j'encourage toute la jeunesse à être entreprenante.
Hey, she just came and she's like, give me the mic. She's like, give me the mic. You have been talking too much. Are you mad? That kind of like, give me the mic, Joyce, your stage. Give me the mic. What are you talking about? Is it me and you our stage? It's my day. Who do you think you are? Give me the mic, Joe.
I'll turn now to candidate number 11, Noella Rose Are Moyo. You are in the second year agricultural sciences. What is your project if you become Miss Cameroon?
Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Alors, je suis Moyu Are Rose Noella, représentant de la région du Sud-Ouest. Mon projet est d'insérer les jeunes dans la société camerounaise. Pas seulement les jeunes, mais aussi les handicapés dans la société camerounaise. Du 17 au 19 septembre, j'ai assisté à une conférence organisée par la FNE et là, j'ai constaté qu'il y a vraiment l'emploi pour les jeunes. Je ne promets pas l'emploi, mais si je suis élue Miss Cameroun 2020, je vais travailler main dans la main avec la FNE pour aider les gens qui n'ont pas de travail pour leur montrer qu'ils peuvent le faire.
Girl, you're not
I also
convincing enough.
visited the handicap center, le centre des handicapés, and I realized that there are so many talented people in those centers. And I have decided if I'm elected Miss Cameroon 2020, I'm going to help these people to be able to insert themselves. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Candidate number 1, Marguerite Diony Kilaman, Bachelor's in Administration Affairs.
Son Excellence, Monsieur le Ministre des Arts et de la Culture, distingués invités, honorables membres du jury, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Je m'appelle Marguerite Diony Kilama, j'ai 25 ans. Je suis entrepreneur, diplômée d'un bachelor en administration des affaires à HEC Montréal depuis 2015. J'ai travaillé en multinationale par la suite, puis j'ai tout quitté pour créer ma propre entreprise. Car je crois fortement en l'entrepreneuriat. Entreprendre, c'est croire en la force de ses idées. Entreprendre, c'est bâtir.
Distinguished invités, distinguished guests, honorables membres du jury, Son Excellence, Monsieur le Ministre des Arts et de la Culture, chers invités, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Je me nomme Onkwa Amugushani Stéphanie, j'ai 23 ans et je suis étudiante à l'École nationale supérieure des travaux publics en Master 2 ingénierie. Si je suis élue Miss Cameroun 2020 ce soir, mon projet portera sur la réconciliation de l'homme camerounais avec sa ville.
Last but not the least is Audrey Nabila
Did she just say
Monkan. Audrey is 24 years old, diplômée en banque et finance. Audrey, what is your project if you are declared Miss Cameroon?
Is that how to pronounce it? Have I been saying it wrong my entire life? I say Audrey. Is it Audrey?
Chers membres du jury, tout protocole respecté, mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Je me nomme Audrey Nabila Monkan.
Audrey.
J'ai 24 ans.
Audrey.
J'ai une licence en banque et finance à l'université de Boya. La beauté, c'est moi. La beauté, c'est vous. La beauté, c'est nous qui vivons ensemble. Et nous vivons dans un monde de globalisation, de multiculturalisme et de différentes affiliations. And therefore, if I am elected Miss Cameroon 2020, my purpose is to create an annual, national, multicultural and bilingual educational program that will bring together Cameroonians of all ages, cultures,
this is actually
and
a
religious
legit program.
background
Like,
for
it
a period
sounds
of time.
so doable.
Thank you.
It sounds doable. Like, it sounds realistic. It's unlike someone coming and saying, I'll work hand in hand with the FENACA, what did she say? And I'll try to create
Là,
jobs.
j'ai constaté qu'il y a vraiment l'emploi pour les jeunes. Je ne promets pas l'emploi, mais si je suis élue Miss Cameroun 2020, je vais travailler même dans la...
Babe! Ha! Okay, so that was their project. Now we're going to go into the proclamation of the results.
Par la cinquième finaliste. La cinquième finaliste. Cinquième dauphine, excusez-moi.
The fifth runner-up.
Numéro 13, Duchesse Cole.
Cinquième dauphine, numéro 13, mesdames et messieurs. Voici donc la première gagnante connue. Cinquième dauphine, la candidate numéro 13.
And we are going to call on them.
La Miss.
No. The Miss Cameroon
2020. Numéro 7.
Numero what? What did she say? Numero what?
Miss Cameroun, numéro 7.
Jesus.
La candidate numéro 7.
Numero 7. What's that? Numero 7.
Miss Cameroun ce soir, mesdames et messieurs. Est-ce qu'on peut applaudir?
Numero You make somebody who wish never that she has won. What's that? Oh, she's great. Babe, it's okay now. You're crying. Well, you don't win now. Can't they go? Wow, like guys, this is so good. Like this is so good. This is the first time in how long that an Anglophone actually has the crown. And it's not like I was saying that there's not been good Anglophones over the years on the show or in the competition. There have been. So for the first Cameroonian, the first Anglophone 2019, like that's something. Girl, you've made history. Okay guys, that was Miss Cameroon, the finals, and I'm actually really happy. I'm actually so happy. Like I'm so excited for her. Like it's like she's doing it for all the Anglophones. You get it? Like, girl, Anglophones can be getting things too in this country, you know. I don't know what this is, but I feel like doing it. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you haven't watched my last reaction video on Longe Longe, I'm going to link it for you in the description box. So just go over there and do me some justice, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.